Hi, my name is Chad Luce and I'm the executive chef at Red Mountain Resort in St. George, Utah. And today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach dip for hors d'oeuvres. This is a really easy dip to make. I like to start off with chickpeas, so I've got 4 cups here. And you can cook your own, or what I recommend is to buy canned chickpeas and then just drain them really well and rinse them in cold water. And then drain again. So we put this into the food processor with 2 teaspoons of freshly chopped garlic, about 2 cups of raw spinach. We're going to add in about a 1/4 cup of fresh basil, or if you're buying it at the store, the little 2-ounce plastic clamshells that they usually pack it in is just the right amount. We're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to blend this all together, and then we'll stop about halfway through and scrape down the sides with a rubber spatula, and then we'll start it up again. So here we go. So it's important when you're doing something like this to stop about halfway through the process and scrape down the sides. Once you've got everything scraped back into the bowl, that'll help it to mix completely. So we're going to turn this back on, process for a little while longer, maybe about another 25 or 30 seconds. You want this to be pretty chunky, but at this point we're going to go ahead and add in 1 more teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and about another teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then we'll stir this up. Now it's okay if it's still a little bit chunky, you want to have some texture in there. And once it's done, you have your spinach dip for hors d'oeuvre. And so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put this onto a few different things. Maybe a tortilla chip, or a cracker. Just little bite-sized things that you can pick up and enjoy the crunch on. Maybe even on a piece of red bell pepper or yellow bell pepper. Add a little color and a little bit of gluten-free, low-calorie crunch. And last but not least, right onto our yellow pepper here. Then you can just arrange these nicely on a tray and set them out with your other hors d'oeuvres for your guests to enjoy.